The RotoFlush Earth Toilet System. For glistening streams and rich soil. Just add soil until the pipe is full, and then simply flush the pipe. The urine drains out the front, preventing both mess and odor, and actually can be used as a safe soil nutrient for farms, orchards, and more. See urine information at www.richearthinstitute.org. A large soil bin for a toilet system that follows sanitation principles, as in Deuteronomy 23:13. An easy-to-build-yourself design, and which can be made with PVC pipe and buckets, and without great expense. With most of the urine diverted, and with soil added, the material in the bin is surprisingly odorless and easy to deal with. And even the solid waste, after aging and fully composting, can then be a safe soil nutrient. With the dry earth system, the feces and unhealthy pathogens therewith can easily be contained until they demise with age and composting, thus preventing the pollution of streams and water sources and related sickness and deaths. To prevent polluting streams, the non-composted material should be kept away from excessive water as might get into streams, which is quite opposite of what many flush toilets do. For a detailed animation and PDF on how to build the toilet, see www.pleaseexplorit.com. A short version of the instructions animation here follows. Thank you.
The Roto Earth Flush Toilet. This animation is to accompany the instructions PDF. The toilet has great potential to prevent pollution and sickness, as well as depleted soil and famine. Now in rapid succession, the steps of building the toilet will be shown. Step 1, the base frame. Step 12, the bucket bowl. Step 15, the flush arm. Step 20, attaching the flush arm. Step 21, attaching the bucket bowl. Step 25, moisture guard. Step 26, urine funnel. Step 27, flush pipe enclosure. Step 30, front plywood and platform. Step 32, enclosing the toilet. Tin can be used as well as plywood, and especially used for the roofs. Step 33, the soil bin. Although optional, it is very nice. Step 34, the toilet seat. Step 35, cutting lever hole. Step 36, the front and door. Step 38, the urine drain system. Step 39, rear door, and the waste bin extension system for large capacity models. Step 41, shingles, caulk, paint. Finishing up. The remainder of this animation is a more detailed version of what has already been shown, for those who seriously want to make the toilet.
For the remainder of this instructions animation, and the instructions PDF, and much more, see pleaseexplorit.com. Thank you.